Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dave with Alaskan Homesteading. Another fairly short video today. I'm just going to work on some more of that slab siding for the woodshed, and it's just going to be a time lapse of me working. I don't really have anything much to say about it other than the slabs are pretty cool looking, and I like how that's going to look when it's finished. But anyway, let's get started. Well, here's the finished product for today. I got one sort of 8-foot section finished. I think it ends up looking pretty good. A friend of mine dropped by a little bit ago and we talked about the design, and he gave me some pointers. You know, one of the things that I'll have to deal with is, you know, these aren't going to last forever, and part of the reason is we're going to have snow accumulation, and it's going to stack up at the bottoms of these boards, and it's going to wick moisture in and all that. So they are going to come apart over time, and it sort of is what it is. I sort of see these slabs as almost a renewable resource, though, given all the milling. I'm going to end up with some extra materials that I can replace slabs with when I need to. And here's a quick view from the inside. They aren't treated, obviously. I might come in with some Thompson's water seal or something similar and just give them a quick coating just to give them some protection. But I don't know if it'll really need it, or if it's even worth the time or money for the material, just given the probability that I'll have to replace these every once in a while. And also the insides are going to be mostly protected by the fact that, you know, we've got the roof here and everything. So we'll see. All right, well, folks, that's going to do it for today. I've got some nice hot dinner ready for me inside, so I'm going to go in and have dinner. Thanks for watching. I hope that you're enjoying these videos. I'd love to hear more comments about the stuff that I'm doing, and you know, feedback about the ideas that I've got on here and the projects I'm implementing. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.